Good morning everyone, I am Denise Galante and today I will be discussing the Crystal Lake Mystery, an interactive eco-crime game designed to educate about environmental sustainability. We are researchers from the National Research Council, the largest public research organization in Italy. My colleague, Michela Tassistro, and I are affiliated with the Institute of Chemical Science and Technology in Genoa, while our colleague Armida Torreggiani is a member of the Institute for Organic Synthesis and Photoreactivity in Bologna. The Crystal Lakes Mystery educational game has been developed in the framework of the project titled Change the Game, Playing to be Trained for the Challenges of a Sustainable Society. The latter aims to create innovative educational tools using a gamification strategy, connecting official school curricula with the contemporary challenges of European society. The goal is to boost student motivation in engaging with STEM subjects, science, technology, engineering and mathematics, and supporting their prospective scientific career path. In the 21st century, humanity confronts pivotal challenge, the pressing necessity to address the multifaceted impacts of climate change and counter the alarming decline in biodiversity. This global phenomena reverberate across ecosystems, disrupting the natural balance and significantly impacting human societies on various fronts. Primarily driven by human activities such as excessive carbon emissions, deforestation, and industrialization, climate change manifests through rising global temperatures, unpredictable weather patterns, extreme weather events, and ocean acidification. The consequences ranging from the community displacement due to rising sea levels to exacerbation of the natural disasters requiring immediate action. Let's explore the fascinating realm of the Crystal Lake Mystery and understand how this interactive eco-crime game can enhance our comprehension of the environmental sustainability. A puzzling incident of fish mortality has taken place in Crystal Lake. The objective of the game is to gather and decipher as much information as possible to uncover the cause, culprits and process behind a occurred fish mortality incident involving 4 companies situated around the lake. The Grapes operates in wine-making business. Plast & Bio specialize in bioplastic production. Lux Soil focuses on manufacturing fertilizers and biostimulant for precision agriculture, while Sulfur Corporation utilizes sulfur as raw material for various products. A complex network of connection intertwines the companies, such as the grapes supplying dried grape pomace to Plast & Bio for use as colorant, and Luxol in turn produces fertilizers for the grape, exemplifying a circular economy approach. The game is organized using a detective board that allows students to interrogate suspects by listening to audio dialogues between the detective and the 4 implicated companies. Additionally, cards provide scientific evidence, such as laboratory analysis report or clues like consultation with experts. These clues may take the form of physical documents or audio dialogues. Beyond discovering clues, engaged participants also involve a sophisticated plot and interconnected character relationships that create suspense and allure, enhancing the experience of unraveling the mystery. Here is an example of a chemical laboratory report. In this case, students can acquire various knowledge, such as understanding what the detection limit is or learning about the concept of dissolved oxygen. The goal of this type of investigation is to extract relevant information from a document. Here I have provided an example of a clue. In this case, students will use their skills to extract important information and exercise their problem-solving abilities. As a final component, we also have audio files that capture the interrogations between the detective and the suspects. This will assist students in contextualizing and developing the storyline of the game. This mystery game, specifically tailored for high school students aged 14-18, is an innovative way to develop deductive reasoning and problem-solving skills. While encouraging students' cooperation, in this game players assume the role of detectives forming 4 or 5 investigative teams, comprising 2 to 5 students each, to investigate the enigmatic fish mortality. Allow for a maximum 25 players to participate in a number for a student class. The objectives of this serial game are multifaceted. Firstly, it serves as an educational tool for high school students, emphasizing the importance of sustainable practices for terrestrial ecosystem. Addressing environmental challenges such as climate change and biodiversity decline, the game aligning with the European Union Green Deal, its Zero Pollution Action Plan, and the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Secondly, the game acts as a platform to explore fundamental concepts in chemistry, biology, and environmental science, including aspects for circular economy. Structured to facilitate learning about bioplastic and waste reclamation from the wine industry, the game's plot engages students in practical application, fostering a deeper understanding. Additionally, the game aims to develop crucial skills, including the interpretation of complex results, effective information extraction, and enhancement of analytical abilities. It actively stimulates critical thinking by encouraging students to analyze the situation, make informed decisions, and solve problems within the context of the game scenarios. Acknowledging the conventional compartmentalization of school activities, there is a need for connection between subject and interdisciplinary programs. Covering chemistry, geology, biology, and environmental science, this game bridges gaps, promoting interdisciplinary learning and mirroring the complexities of the real world. To ensure a high-quality prototype, various tests were conducted through the design and development of our educational game. Focus group, involving CNR researchers and students, played a crucial role in providing valuable feedback during the initial stage of the game design. This interactive process allows for effective refinement of an idea. Notably, this group facilitated a straightforward quality assurance testing, focusing not on game enjoyment but identifying major problems and ensuring the game met predetermined requirements, including educational content validation. Our final game prototype achieved success in informal settings, such as science fair and schools conference. The Crystal Lakes Mystery was officially presented at the prestigious Genoa Science Festival in Italy and at workshop during the 20th Conference of the Nation of the Research Languages in Bologna, engaging over 1,000 students in total. To evaluate the comprehension of concepts and to provide the solution of the mystery, a test accessible through student smartphone using a QR code has been developed. Upon completion the test, it will generate a percentage score for each team, allowing a creation of ranking and the declaration of the winning team. Here I have included a short video from the latest test conducted last week at La Franconi Scientific High School in Genoa, to demonstrate how students are captivated by the game and engaged in understanding the storyline. In conclusion, the Crystal Lakes Mystery stands as compelling and interdisciplinary educational tool, fostering not only environmental awareness, but also instilling essential scientific knowledge, critical thinking abilities, and practical skills among high school students. Its effectiveness lies in addressing urgent environmental issues, aligning SEMC with global sustainability goals. This game not only captivates students, but also equips them with the tools needed to actively contribute to a sustainable future. And I want to thank Armida Torreggiani for involving me in this interesting project, Michela Tassistro and Ilaria Schizzi for assisting me in managing the game and the social outreach, Emilio Suraci for video production, and you for your valuable attention. Thank you.